I combed the internet and discovered 10 jobs that you can do from the comfort of your own home that don't require a college degree. And a handful of these can make over 6 figures per year. I was actually so shocked I wanted to raise the stakes. So in this video, I hid an Easter egg, and for one viewer that wins it, they're going to win a very special prize that I'll let you know at the end. And I'm saving the highest paid job for last, as well as adding a bonus method at the end that will help multiply all of the dollars on any of these particular jobs. Not to mention, there are a couple of these that can make you more money than some doctors. First up is online chat support, and with this job, you'll be answering the questions of customers. Although this is the lowest paid job on the list, I went ahead and I put this here mainly because of not only how easy it is to get hired, but more and more companies are moving remote. And this is a low stress job that you can just plug in a Bluetooth and do other things around your home while you're answering people's questions. And the barrier to entry to this one is very low as well. All you need is English, good grammar, and a Wi-Fi connection, and you should be good to go. Two sites that have online chat support include Flex Jobs as well as Up to Staff. Now, salaries on this range from 25 to 48K, with the mean average being $33,000 per year, which comes out to be about $16 per hour. This might be a good job to stack with one of these other jobs on the list. Next up is lead generation for businesses, which, unlike the previous job of being tied to an hourly rate, this one sometimes has a sales component, meaning you can earn a commission on top of your hourly rate. To have a good chance of getting hired for a lead generation role, it's recommended that you're familiar with social media, cold calling, emailing, as well as mailing lists. A good site that I found that's offering lead generation roles includes guru.com, and the average pay on this one is about $38,000 per year or $19 per hour. Number 3 is affiliate marketing, meaning you're promoting offers for individuals or businesses, and you're receiving either a commission from that or an hourly rate. Someone that you might have heard of is Anthony Morrison. He's one of the original affiliate marketing gurus, and he said he made his first million by finding car parts on Craigslist for cheap and then cross-posting them with wanted sections in other areas of the states, upselling them, and then getting a commission of the cash. Now, a good place to find affiliate marketing jobs includes Indeed.com, or you can just look around YouTube. There's a lot of individuals on here that want you to promote their product. And I'm actually doing something similar with my Amazon training, where I'm offering a 20% commission to anyone who wants to sell it for me, and you can actually work your way up to a 30% commission on the sale of the course. Now, obviously, the best affiliate marketing is of a product that you're actually passionate about or that you know of. So don't just try and sell my course just to make some money. Only do it if you plan on taking it or you're familiar with selling on Amazon. Now, a typical affiliate marketing job ranges anywhere from $37,000 to $53,000 per year, with the average clocking in at $44,000 or about $22 per hour. Coming in at number 4 is a website designer. Now, according to the Small Business Administration, there are 600,000 new businesses created every year just in the US. And I would say about 90% of these businesses need a new website. So this means that even though there are a lot of website developers, there is a lot of room in this market. Now, this is something that you may need a little bit of a skill for, but you can learn website design by taking courses on YouTube. And once you get familiar with how to create a website, you can head over to Indeed.com, or you can post your services on Fiverr or Upwork. I've found some great people who can build websites on there, and you can show off your talent there before moving into a bigger company. Some other sites that might be good to apply for website design are just sites that sell domains, because they have all of these people that are purchasing domains, and quite a few people use their services to actually build websites. So they have a whole team of people that can build websites. And some sites, just to name a few, include Namecheap, Bluehost, and GoDaddy. A typical website designer ranges anywhere from $38,000 to $78,000 per year, with the median paying about $52,000 per year or about $26 per hour. Coming in at number 5 is working for a social media marketing agency. And do you remember this guy? Now, with this job, you're helping businesses generate leads specifically through social media. And some examples of this include helping clients run Facebook ads, Instagram ads, YouTube ads. That's a really common method here. Now, I do have about a dozen friends that do this, and they didn't go to school for this at all, and they make a solid 6 figures per year. But that being said, they run their own business. So you're going to make more if you run your own business. If you're working for someone, the average pay ranges from $36,000 to $86,000 per year, depending on the size of the agency. And the average pay is $57,000 per year or about $27 per hour. Up next is SEO, or search engine optimization expert. If websites are the body of an online business, SEO would be the blood, because it's the life force of how businesses are found and get clients. You can have the best product in the world, but if no one knows where you are or how to get it, it's absolutely useless. And this is what good SEO helps with. Essentially, if I'm traveling and I want to find the best sushi place in the town I'm in, I go to Google and I type in sushi, and the restaurant with the best rated results is going to be who pops up first. And that's partially because of good SEO. Now, back in 2015, I was actually working with a radio station selling radio ads, and this was one of the services that they offered. But a great website to find SEO jobs if you are interested is SEOclerk.com. Now, this is a skill that you do need to learn, but they don't actually offer a degree for this. You can just learn this through YouTube videos and courses and be a self-taught person here. Average pay on this one ranges from $44,000 to $84,000 per year, with the average clocking in at just under $58,000 or $29 per hour. Next up is a YouTube scriptwriter. And this is exactly what it sounds like. You're writing scripts for YouTubers. There are hundreds of thousands of YouTubers on the platform, and they're just growing more and more every day. And writing a good script is one of the most time-consuming parts. I know this from experience. And a good scriptwriter is someone who is creative, has good English, and I personally think someone who is an avid consumer of YouTube, so you can differentiate between good videos and bad videos. I've personally tried to find YouTube scriptwriters, but I'm telling you right now, they are a dime a dozen. So if you can prove yourself to a YouTuber that you can write a good script, I'm telling you, you will be invaluable to that company or person. The best place to find a YouTube scriptwriter job is to just post on Upwork, or to go to the Upwork ads and see who is posting for scriptwriting. Or what I would do is I would just start emailing YouTubers, and I would have a script of one of their videos and show what I did to improve it, or write them a brand new script. YouTube scriptwriters range from $30,000 up to $120,000 per year, with the average pay coming in at $60,000 per year or $30 per hour. All right, we're climbing up the list. Coming in at number 8 is 3D CAD, or computer-aided design modeling. And this allows engineers to design and build realistic computer models. One of the things I love about this job is that there are just so many industries using this now, including video game design and architecture. The pay is higher here, but it's definitely a bit more technical as well and requires more knowledge. But like anything else, it can be taught with tutorials and online learning. The best place in my research to find these 3D CAD model jobs is simplyhire.com, and pay on these range from $60K to $201,000 per year, with the average salary being $95,000 per year or about $48 per hour. The second highest paying job on the list is an NFT artist. Although the NFT market has pulled back substantially, there are still many businesses and companies out here creating new NFT projects every single day. And there was a study that predicted 1 out of every 2 businesses by the year 2030 will use NFTs in one way, shape, or form. Now, I actually had a friend who had a job doing this, and he was making $600 a day, 7 days a week, coloring NFTs. He actually never went to college for this, and he gets jobs like this all the time. Now, it does help having a background in graphic design or something along those lines, but this is something, once again, that can be self-taught. The best place to find these particular jobs include freelancing sites like Fiverr and Upwork. The salaries on this one range from $32,000 to $210,000 per year, with the average salary being $84,000 per year or about $42 per hour. And the highest paid job on this list is an Airbnb manager. Airbnbs make up 20% of the vacation rental industry, and based on previous year's growth, we don't see that slowing down anytime soon. And essentially, Airbnb managers facilitate communication between the customers as well as the staff maintenance of the Airbnbs, such as cleaning, construction crews, and much more. The reason why this can be such a high-paying job is because there are so many moving parts to a successful Airbnb business, and these firms that run Airbnbs have hundreds of properties. A good site I found to look for Airbnb jobs includes airconcierge.net. Average pay on this one ranges from $75,000 to $220,000 per year. And who knows, maybe if you get hired on as an Airbnb manager, one day you'll be the one owning the Airbnbs. I've actually heard of this happening before. Now, what about the bonus method and the Easter egg? The bonus method is to multiply any of these jobs. Head on over to onlinejobs.ph or Upwork and find someone capable to do the job for you that you're doing, but for less, whether it's an hourly job or something that's more contracted on a per job basis. So for example, if you're getting paid an hourly rate of $20 per hour from an affiliate marketing job. Maybe you can find someone for $5 per hour in the Philippines and use them to help you make more money. Essentially, you're running a tiny business as an employee. But what about the Easter egg? I went ahead and I hid somewhere in this video across one of the 10 jobs, there is an Easter egg somewhere. And the first person to post below in the comments what job is associated with it and why they think that was the Easter egg, that person's going to win a free training. So whatever job they want, they can find a training online and I will personally pay for it for them to take. It doesn't have to be the one associated with the Easter egg. And yes, there are some of these jobs that don't apply to me at all, that there's no way I could use you for. But at the end of the day, if I help someone make a 6-figure salary per year, I know that you're going to remember that. And who knows, maybe we can do some business down the road one day. That's the way I'm looking at this. But that's all for now. See you next time.